Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add necessary pages in your WordPress website for AdSense approval. Now let me log in into my WordPress website. Let me click on login button to go in WordPress dashboard, and now let me go in pages. Here you can see I have about page, contact page, privacy page. So let me publish it, and after that I need few more pages. So let me click here, add new page. I need to add terms of service page as well as disclaimer page. Let me publish, and this page will be disclaimer. So these are all the pages that are required to approve AdSense in any website. So now let me edit these pages. And after that, now I need to add content on these pages. So now let me go jimny.google.com, and after that here I can generate content. Then press enter. So guys, here you can see content is generated. Now just I can copy. This is about page. Now I can go in about page and add this content. Let me remove existing content and then add a new content. So let me remove it, and after that click update, and the contact page, just I can copy it, and let me remove existing content, then add new content. You can also add a contact form on this page. Let me go in the plugin section and search for WP forms. You can install this plugin. Here you can see 6 million plus active installations. And then click on activate button. Now you can go in WP forms. Then click here to create your form. And now scroll down. Here you can see there are templates that you can select: blank form, simple contact form. Just you can select this one. And then here you can add your email. Just you can go in notifications, then scroll down, and here you can replace it with your email, then scroll down. You can also add your email here, then click on save. And if you want to embed this form, just you can use shortcode. So let me add this form here, and then click update. You can go back in the menu, scroll down, and you can add these pages in header as well as footer. So for example, if you want to add these pages, you can add here. Alright, all the pages are added, then click on save menu. So you can add these pages in header or footer. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube.